Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I created this sunset glittery half cut crease. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So as you guys can see, my makeup is pretty much complete. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my one eye. So I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm just setting that with my Shop Miss A beauty blender, and then I'm using my Sephora Pro palette, and I'm going in with the shade Ochre. Now this is like a yellow mustard, so if you have a brighter yellow I would recommend using that, but this is the only yellow I have, so that's what I had to use. So I'm just going to put that in my crease and just build up the color. Next I'm going in with this orange shade, which is from my Prism palette, and it's called Saturn. Now if you guys don't have these palettes, you don't necessarily need to have them, just use shades that are similar to the ones that I'm using, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that over top of the yellow shade. If my voice sounds a little bit raspy, it's because I just woke up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, okay? That's why I sound like this. Alright, so then I'm going back in with the yellow shade and just blending all that together. This look requires a lot of blending. Then I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking red ochre and I'm putting that a little bit below the crease and just blending that all out. And then you'll see me go back in with the orange shade and just blending that all together just to get rid of any harsh lines. Like I've said before, the more you blend, the nicer your eye makeup is going to look. Still sticking with my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going in with this pink shade, which is called Love Letter, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that all over my lid. Then I'm going in with the brush that had red ochre on it, and I'm just blending that out once again just to get rid of any harsh lines and make it softer. So next it's time to cut the crease, so I'm just using my Wet n Wild concealer once again, and I'm going to be using a small tiny brush to create that half cut crease. So to decorate the half cut crease, I'm going in with Stila's Kitten Karma Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. I love this stuff. It's so beautiful. It's my first time using it and I'm obsessed, you guys. I need to get all the shades now. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that right where I put the concealer. Once that glitter has dried, on a small brush, I'm taking red ochre and Saturn and just outlining right where I cut the crease, just to make the cut crease pop even more and just to clean up that area. And then I'm going in with Love Letter, and I'm just packing that on to the outer part of my eye, just so that it all blends in really nicely and it just fades into the pink and the glitter. It just makes it look way better when you do that. I'm taking Vermeer and Primavera and adding that to my inner corner and onto my brow bone for a pop of highlight. So to smoke out my lash line, I'm just using all the shadows that I used on my lid minus the glitter. I did my wing liner off camera, and then I'm just going in with my DO5 lashes and popping those on, and then I'm just going to be lining my waterline with some black liner, and then I'm just going to be popping on some mascara and getting mascara all over me and getting mad. Yeah, and that completes this eye look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.